So I will proceed with the value for our smart integrated farming by using the vertical aquaponic system. The first value is it can produce two type of output. Okay, our company will produce two output, which is salad and tilapia. Okay, this is because through this system, it is very profitable because the yield to be obtained is double compared to the traditional cultivation system, which is only able to obtain one type of yield in one cycle. Next, it can increase the productivity. Okay, for faster maturity for salad crop. This is because the maturity period for harvest salad is only 30 days, while maturity period for tilapia is around 4 until 5 months. So, while waiting for the tilapia to be harvested, our company can able to harvest around 4 cycle for salad crop. So, it is able to bring profit to our company. Next, it can supply organic crop to customers. This is because in the production of salad and tilapia, our company do not use any addition fertilizer and only use tilapia dropping to supply to the salad. Therefore, the salad will produce and supply to customer is zero chemical. So the customer will ever be guaranteed. Okay, the last one is fish are free of growth hormone and antibiotics. I think that's all for me. Thank you.